Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ID Go on Apple TV step by step clearly. To activate ID Go on your Apple TV, start by turning on your Apple TV device. Make sure it is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the App Store on your Apple TV. Search for the ID Go app using the search feature. Once you find the ID Go app, select it and choose the download option. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, open the ID Go app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the option to sign in. Enter your cable provider credentials when prompted. If you don't have a cable provider, you may need to create an account. Once your credentials are entered, look for an activation code. The app will display this activation code on your screen. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and visit the activation website provided. Enter the activation code on the website. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, return to your Apple TV and navigate back to the ID Go app. You should now have full access to the content available through ID Go. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.